Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix voicemail notification not working on Infinix GT30. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on notifications and allow notifications. After allow notifications, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Scroll down and click on sound and vibration. Click on do not disturb and make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.